This is my friend Crinkles.
Yeah.
We're going to Gatlinburg because it's cold. And it's gonna snow and sleet tomorrow. And we're gonna sleep in a nice warm bed.
I'll get out of your way because I don't want too light.
Yeah. This is gonna be great. Oh my gosh. We are stuck in Gatlinburg. There's a freeze warning right now and taking another freaking zero. We can't find a ride back up to Clingman's. So this is me being very transparent and hopefully I don't get a lot of hate for it, but I am unfortunately going to miss the segment between Clingman's and Newfound, and it's not gonna be not happy about it at all. Good morning! It's cold! Oh. Alright, oh, but don't worry. This is how much longer we have to Maine. We died in Maine, 1972. It's only up downhill from here, right? This is in Clingman's. Everything, we're questioning everything. Those that know me personally know how awkward I am on ice, and we're about to go over it. You're gonna watch. Enjoy. Woo. Is this wrong of me of filming you? We found Gushers. There he is. He found us actually.
I'm alive.
You are alive.
Bro, that was the most terrifying thing. I just didn't even know this.
Sound travels in waves. We're going on a nice little ridge. Oh. Gone away are the trail parents, here to stay. All right, good morning. So what we're plans have kind of changed a little bit. So it's day, I don't even freaking know, in the Smokies, and tomorrow is supposed to be thunder storms, and also was planning on doing a 15 to 16 mile day. Now that sounds miserable. So what we're doing today, since it's so beautiful, is we're going to do 17 to 20 miles, which is a big jump. This will be the biggest amount of mileage that I've done on my entire life, especially with 30 pounds on my back. And Gushers and I were off to do the biggest amount of miles we've ever done. All right, so Gushers and I are together.
Hey.
And so it's 7 miles to Cosme Knob, 10 miles to the fire tower, and then what, 14?
Something.
15 miles to Davenport Gap. Oh.
My knees felt great and my spirits high. Gushers and I hiked a majority of the day together, pushing each other to finish. The day went from sunny to cloudy, but my energy levels were up high.
Thank you. At Crosby. Or no, Crosby. Cosby. It's Cosby Shelter.
Nothing could stop me from finishing this day. The moment I got to the shelter, I passed out and I didn't get any more footage than this. I was so tired.
Here we go. Yeah.